Hey guys, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to exactly use Napkin AI, and I will explain you 5 use cases. So if you're new here, don't skip any second. If you skip any second, you don't understand properly. First, I'm going on Napkin AI. You need to going my video description because I will attach this link on my video description. When you click, you are redirect to this website. You need to log in here with your Gmail. Then you need add some info here. That's okay. Then I'm going to chat GPT. Then I type here FIFA Cup for each country. Then FIFA give me a data, so I copy this data. Then going this Napkin AI. Then that just paste here. Then Control plus B. Okay, just click on generate visual, and you can use this visual on your video tutorial if you are freelancer, business owner, and etc. You can use these graphics or this picture any purpose, because this is a really qualityful infographics. Then I'm going to another. Wow, it's really good. It's really good, really awesome. And if I Roboto, I want to change this font comfort. Okay, that's good. Now click on AI. If you want to change this full table, everything you are able to customizable. If I want to this graphics, okay, then this one, this also good. Then I want to change this color. Okay, now I'm going to another one. Then again go on chat GPT, then type okay, just click on enter. You can create any type of infographics using this AI tool. So I copy this one. Okay, I copy the 13. Then go again Napkin AI, just paste here. Let's go. Then click on here. This AI now create this infographics. It's for me, and I'm able to downloading for very use cases, or you can see it's a really nice graph. Now I just download, then use video editing purpose and any purpose. It's absolutely free for join this and use this Napkin AI tool. Just click on download button, then select your PNG, SVG and PDF. I select PNG, then click on download. It's already downloading. So if I want to change this style, then just click on here. Then here are the lots of design, and you are able to add here another one, this one, and anything you are customize. Okay, now I'm going to create for another one. Again click on blank, then FRWN freelancer demand. Then this chat GPT create a data and graph for me, but I want to just copy then paste this Napkin AI tool. Okay, just copy, then again go here, then paste. Just click this power icon. Now creating a graph, it's for exclusively for me, and this is really attractive. Whoa. If I go into another one, you can see this AI tool create a infographics. It's for me. If I don't like it, I'm going to another one. Wow, that's good. If I want to change this color, then click select this element, then go to here section. Here you can change anything here. Okay, if I want to download this design, just select this element, then click on this download button, then click on dark or light. If I click on dark, you can see this is dark. Just click on download, then I'm going on here. Wow, this really awesome graphics. Now you can use these graphics for your any purpose. It's really good. Then just again go here, then click new one, then I'm going to another one for chat GPT. Then this AI tool chat GPT is exclusively free for use. You can use any purpose. It's 100% free of cost. Just copy, then go here, then just paste on enter, then click on this power, then click on here. Now create a graph. It's exclusively for me. Wow, it's really awesome. Then you can change anything here, color, pattern, and anything you are able to. If you want to big this, wow. Then okay, now I want to end finish the video. Now if you have any questions, please comment below, and if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.